Today on PowerNation Daily, a company that lets you rent a garage. I like this idea. A cash-covered highway, Ford puts their performance vehicles head-to-head, Tesla headed to space, and what's new in PowerNation shops? Not to mention, it's that time for Top 5 Fast Fails, Intersection Edition. Here we go. What's up, guys? I'm Gannon. Welcome to the show. Hope you're having a fantastic day. And no, I didn't do my hair. Let's get with the show. If you haven't heard of Airbnb, it's an online service that lets people rent out their personal spaces for short terms or for long terms, like vacations, rentals, all that good stuff. And now there's a concept just like that for garages. Now, this one has my interest. Jalopnik reports that Garage Time is the new DIY rental space for gearheads. Started by Andrew Correz, the new company allows people to actually rent out their unused garage space to people who want to rent. Now, this is a great idea because I'm actually looking for garage space and I can't find it, so now I know where to go. After having to use his friend's garage for a long time, he decided to start a company that he could actually help other gearheads across the country and make some money in the process to find a place to work on their rides. Garage Time allows people to rent out their garage for however long they want. It could be a few hours, days, weeks, years, however you want to rent it out, you can do that. Do you like this idea? Let us know in the comments. Let's be honest, being stuck in traffic, it's just not fun. Nobody likes to do it unless there's a lot of cash staring you in the face. Check this out. What if a truck like this one flipped over and thousands of dollars flew across the interstate? Because that's exactly what happened. A company that runs a video gambling machine had a truck carrying tens of thousands of dollars on it when it lost control and flipped in the middle of Illinois. The crash sent money flying everywhere. The good news is there was no injuries. The bad news was the cleanup crews had to literally sweep up 10s and 20s off the freeway. All right, let's be honest here. If you were cleaning up this crash, would you be sticking some of it in your pocket? Be honest. Probably would. Let us know in the comments. Ford has come to have a pretty decent lineup when it comes to performance vehicles. Between the Focus RS and the GT, there's something pretty much for everybody out there. According to Autoblog, in order to see how they all match up, Chip Ganassi, the racing team, took all 8 of their drivers and they headed to Spain with all the vehicles available from Ford Performance. This means the F-150 Raptor, both the old and new model, Fiesta ST, the Focus RS, the Mustang GT, the Shelby GT350, the Ford GT, and the GT-LM GTE Pro race car. It all went to Spain and the drivers went with them to see how it was going to shake down. The race starts off with the Raptor up front, followed by the GT-LM GTE Pro race car in the back. It's a pretty good video. If you want to see how they shaped out, check out the video. I bet you the Raptor did not win. But if they went off-road, you know they do pretty good in that thing. So the Falcon Heavy rocket was debuted by Elon Musk on Twitter, and in December he had mentioned that the payload was going to actually carry his very own red Tesla Roadster. It turns out he wasn't kidding. The guy's nuts. I love it, and this is awesome. Musk is sending a Tesla into space. Motor Trend reports the rocket is set to launch on Tuesday. Musk said the Roadster will be in Mars orbit for 1 billion years. He just did this because it's funny and cool, I guarantee it. Not sure what you think about the process, but would you send your personal car up into space if you had the money? I would. Why not? Coming up on an all-new PowerNation this weekend, I actually check out Lambert Auto, and this is a really cool piece. A one-of-a-kind shop that was used as an old firehouse. I talk with owner Mark Lambert about his rides, and he takes me on a ride in one of his very rare Packards. On Engine Power, the guys team up with Factory 5 to help build their very first hot rod pickup truck. In Detroit Muscle, the 69 Charger gets a new floor, and Tommy gets a pinstriping lesson. On Truck Tech, the K5 Blazer is back in the shop, getting ready for a final coat of paint. And on XOR, Jeremy and Eliza put an LS in the Overland International Scout. It's a lot of new tech, so tune in Sunday morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Time on Paramount Network. Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, everybody. I'm Gannon. Be sure to let us know what you want to see on social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff. And stop by our website at PowerNationTV.com. Have a good rest of your day, and we'll see you all later.